Hello traders, let's see weekly review for fundamentals and news analysis for this situation. Today is Tuesday. As we can see, yesterday, if we want to say weekly review from 16 to 20 August, we can see that yesterday there was no significant data for trading, as well as today we can see for the US dollar it will be published core retail sales and retail sales, and Fed Chair Powell will be spoken. We can see in further previous high was a very high core retail sales 1.3 percentage. Now it is expected 0.2 percentage, as well as retail sales expecting negative from 0.6 points. If it's published, US dollar will down against euro, pound, yen, Canadian dollar, Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar and Swiss franc. So smart and trade safe. As we can see, we can expect it. Fed chair will be spoken, and we can see what sent message will be seen, and more hawkish than expected is good for currency. If it is hawkish and also we have dovish, will be bad for currency. On Wednesday we can see the next, it will be published official cash rate for New Zealand dollar. As we can see, it is expected a strong bull report and expected higher than expected. Expecting that the price will up 0.50 percentage. We can see so far was 0.25, and it will be good for New Zealand dollar and bullish. You can buy New Zealand dollar USD, New Zealand dollar JPY, and sell Great Britain pound against Zealand and euro sell against this pair. It will be smart and very danger for trading. And later we can see consumer price index for the pound. The previous was 2.5 percentage. It will be expected 2.3% lower than expected. And later we see for Canadian dollar consumer price index, it will be in line with forecast or it remains unchanged 0.3 percentage. We'll see Canadian dollar how can expect it, as well as we can expect it more news like oil inventories. Very interested. We can watch USD CAD and oil inventories. And later we have Forex FOMC meeting minutes, Fed meetings minutes, and we see the last federal fund rates. Then on Thursday we have exchange Australian labor market. As we can see, it's employment change. Let's see. It was expecting the very bad data from labor market for coronavirus. And we can expect, if these results are worse than expected, we can expect that Australian dollar will be down. Also, let's see unemployment rate in line with forecast 5%, and that's very important to see it. And we can see a filling manufacturing index, unemployment jobless claims, more or less on Friday, not so big news. And we can see, let's see about markets today, how to trade during consumer price index. And we can see in mostly case we have a bearish market, and only USD Canadian dollar is bullish, and US dollar only Canadian dollar is weaker today. We can see how the labor market will be reacted on this situation, and euro is steady, pound oscillate, and as we can see, US dollar is stronger against Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, pound, and weaker against JPY and Swiss franc. So we'll see what will happen this week. That's all, traders.